Good morning. First one of the day. New client with his Honda CB500X in desperate need of a bit of trot love. This is going to get one of our legendary trot full Monty valets. This is a gentleman's first big bike. He does use this daily, so it is in a little bit of a state, but not to fear, it's in the right hands. This is going to get, like I said, one of our full Monty valets with a load of XCP corrosion protection. She's looking a little sad for herself, I must say. We're going to get all this cleaned off, get some corrosion protection on it. Chain is in a right bad way, so we'll get all this old crap off of here. We'll get it all lubed back up, and hopefully we can rejuvenate it a bit. She is in a right state. There you go, 2.5 hours later, this Honda CB500X has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. Look at the transformation on this. This had one of our legendary full Monty valets. That is a Snowfoam safe wash to loosen up any contaminants. Meticulously cleaned all these wheels, all these discs, all these calipers. Everything's been meticulously cleaned. We then misted it with XCP corrosion protection. This has had all the XCP clear all over your motor, all your frame, all behind your handlebars, all your switch gears, all these nuts and bolts which do corrode on these bikes has had a nice little misting of XCP. Footrest hangers have had a bit of a polish. All your suspension linkages have been XCP'd, all the rear disc, rear caliper. The chain was quite a state on this, so that's all been degreased, blow dried. We've re-lubed it back up, Silkaline titanium gel. Yeah, looking like it should. All done, 2.5 hours. Don't forget, we're open 7 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Give us a buzz at 07966 249 963.